Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Marvel Rivals to Twitch. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go head over to marvelrivals.com. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to make sure to log in right here at the top right. And as you can see, it will require us to log in. Just go ahead and log in with the platform where you play this game. For example, I played this game through Steam. I'm going to click on Steam. And as you can see, it will require us to log in. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my credentials. I'm going to go head over to my email and put the code in here. As you can see, it is now loading. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, there's a big sign in button right here. Just click on it so that the Marvel Rivals website will be linked to your Steam account as well. Now in here, just go head over to your profile right here at the top right again. Go to my account. Now, as you can see here on this page, you'll be able to see the connections section in the left pane. Click on it. And as you can see, Twitch is available. Just go ahead and hit on connect. This page will automatically log you in to whichever account is currently logged into your computer's twitch.tv website. All right. If it is not the correct account, just go ahead and click on not you, log out. Or if this is the one, just hit on authorize. All right. And wait for it to load. As you can see here, there's a prompt, binding successful. Just hit on confirm and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.